In this video, I'll show you how to create a bootable pen drive or USB flash drive for Windows 7. To do that, you need a minimum 8 GB pen drive and Windows 7 ISO files. Okay, now plug in your pen drive and must back up the pen drive files to another drive. Then go to rufus.ie. Here download, install and open the latest Rufus version. Okay, now select your pen drive and here you can see the pen drive is already selected. After then you have to select your ISO files. Here you can see I have the Windows 7 ISO file. Now click on select here. Okay, the Windows 7 ISO file is selected now, and here you have to do nothing and simply here click on start. Click on OK. It will take some time to copy the ISO files to your pen drive and wait until completing the process. Okay, now your pen drive is ready. This is the Windows 7 bootable pen drive, and here is the setup file. Now you can easily install Windows 7 in your PC. If you face any issues, kindly comment below and I will try to solve your problem. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.